Welcome, everyone, to CV Podcasts right here on channelvisionmag.com. I'm Brady Hicks. I'm an editor with Channel Vision Magazine. And today we have three great representatives from Bicom Systems. I can't wait to talk to them. We're going to be learning about what can an office in your pocket do for you, and specifically what's new in the Bicom Systems Unified Communications package. Today, three fantastic guests. We have the Business Success Manager. We have Patrice Bramat. How you doing today, Patrice?
I'm great, Brady. And yourself?
I'm doing very well, thank you. We also have product owners. We have Semir Karic. How you doing today, Semir?
Hey, great.
And we also have Vesna Glavas-Hrustic. How's it going, Vesna?
Everything is great. Thank you for having us here.
Great. And I'm excited to be here with you guys to learn all about Bicom Systems and all this great stuff. Patrice, I'll start off with you. Could you tell us a little bit about the company, maybe for those who aren't as familiar?
Absolutely, Brady. So basically, in a few words, Bicom Systems is a specialized software telecom company. We've been on the market for 15 years now. We have approximately 500 active customers. Well, I should say partners worldwide and counting. And we basically develop a comprehensive suite of products that includes PBXware, gloCOM, Meeting, this kind of product, just to name a few. What would be the difference between Bicom System and some of the players on the market? I would say it's the fact that we have an absolutely true multi-tenant PBXware or IPBX that exists, which allows our partners to run from one single instance up to 200 different end users, having them multiple extensions at the end. So that's really a product that fits all different kind of end users' needs. We also have, and that's really a strong characteristics and particularity of Bicom Systems, we have a very clear channel strategy. We only deal with partners, as I mentioned, the 500 that we have worldwide today, meaning that we don't go to the end user. And if we are sometimes in contact with end users, it's immediately to qualify them as leads and to bring them back to our partners locally to expand our channel. And also, which is related to this channel strategy, we're putting loads of effort and in development into the branding options that we offer to our partners. We want our partners to develop their business and their brand the way they want, meaning their own marketing has to be the one that they want to promote. We always try to stay in the background, providing the technical support and all the technical aspect of it, but we want all partners to be the one to promote their product and their brand.
That sounds fantastic, and thank you for that kind of in-depth explanation there. You discussed how PBXware can be different from other offerings on the market. What is the whole solution for Bicom Systems?
Well, there's different solutions. The first one, as I mentioned, was PBXware, which is really our core product that we sell the most today. And then attached to that, we have different other client app system that we sell and have a very significant growth on the market today, which is gloCOM communicator meeting that we're going to talk in a moment. But if I can come back on the specificity of the development of our products, is the fact that everything that we do is specifically designed for the telecom industry. If you take Serverware, which I haven't mentioned in the suite of products that we have, Serverware is a virtualization platform that could be comparable to VMware that exists on the market as a leader. But the main difference between the two is that Serverware has been designed to the telecom data management only, which makes this special. You do not manage telecom just like other regular data, but that needs a specific system to manage it, and this is what we do at Bicom Systems.
You also referenced the branding options, specifically your business, your brand, your way, that whole deal. Why is Bicom Systems doing this? Like, what is the purpose behind this?
Well, it's really, again, to promote our partners' success we try to say, I mean, we keep repeating as a marketing kind of slogan that your business, your brand, your way, meaning that we want our channel to continue to grow as it is today by having every of our partners and developing its own marketing, its own brand, its own ownership of the product, if I can say that, to be as close as possible to its own market. If you take a car dealer, for instance, which would be like an end user for us, when it's down to telecom, he wants to have someone, he wants to deal with someone who's going to be operating locally. And if someone is known locally, has a strong image, a strong branding, is going to be trustworthy by any end users locally in a small town anywhere in the world. And this is really the core of our strategy, to allow our partners to have their own branding, to sell their image, their service, their product on their own market. Not much of a people knows Bicom Systems in the world in terms of company knowledge or company recognitions, but everybody knows, well, everybody, most of the end users would know the local ITSP or MSP that they want to deal with when it's down to telecom. And again, that's really the core of our business. And if I can say, like worldwide, we are small enough to care, but big enough to count. I like this kind of idea as well, that, well, we're still a small player, but we're big enough to count on the market. And this is exactly what we do today.
And I would definitely say that Bicom Systems counts on the market, as you put it. Let's jump to Semir. And Patrice, you were talking a little bit about gloCOM. Semir, could you tell us about gloCOM?
Well, sure. It's hard to describe such a big product in a few words, but I'll do my best. So gloCOM is a powerful unified communication application that's specifically designed to take your business communications to a whole new level by tightly integrating with PBXware, which is our VoIP telephony platform that my colleague mentioned earlier. The main purpose of gloCOM is to simplify and enhance your day-to-day communication and collaboration experience by packing everything you need for a successful collaboration with your staff, including desk phone integration, soft phone, instant and SMS messaging, conferencing, CRM integration, faxing, file transfer, and much, much more. All gloCOM features are neatly packed within a single elegant desktop application interface with great user experience, which is available on all major desktop platforms, Windows, Mac OS, and also Linux. gloCOM is offered in Office Business, Agent, and Supervisor editions, each supporting specific features maximizing efficiency and productivity. So, for example, Office gloCOM enables startups and small and mid-sized businesses to use corporate-class phone system, while Business Edition brings more power, flexibility, and efficiency for small and medium-sized businesses, and also contains much larger set of features for large corporate clients. For call centers, we also have Agent and Supervisor editions that simplify and enhance call management. One of the key things that separates gloCOM from others is rich branding support that my colleague also mentioned earlier. Because good branding sets you apart from competition, improves your company's value, and actually promotes recognition of your company. It makes finding new customers much easier. So when choosing the right type of branding for your organization, there's actually no one-size-fits-all solution. And that's why we have designed 3 different branding options for gloCOM. First one is, of course, gloCOM, and that's our Bicom Systems branded option that includes our company's logo and our branding info. The second one is Communicator, and that's a non-branded option that removes all mentions of Bicom Systems. And in addition to removing all of Bicom Systems branding from the applications, users have the options to set the homepage, help page links, as well as their own company logo via Bicom Release Manager. And finally, our most powerful addition is OEM, and that's branding according to our customer specification. This branding option removes all mentions of Bicom Systems and allows our customers to add their brand name, logo, to set the homepage, help page link, change the application name, and change the application icon to actually have the full branding experience for your application.
I know that version 6.6 is going to be a huge deal for Bicom Systems. What are some of the main features and things that are going to be released with that? And what kind of what's down the pike?
So yeah, 6.6 and 6.7 will have huge amount of features. And most of these features will be available on gloCOM Desktop as well as on gloCOM Web and gloCOM Go that we have in our sets of products. So the features that will come on gloCOM Desktop as well as gloCOM Web and gloCOM Go for mobile is chat voice messages, chat message info, chat admin transfer, and of course feature flagging. What's feature flagging? That's a huge feature and huge improvement to our customers, because it will allow all our customers to fully customize all chat features, to toggle them on or off. So for example, one of our customers would like to have file sharing functionality, while others maybe want to remove that functionality from their application. Or for example, one of our customers don't want their customers to delete the messages, so he can just turn off the feature of deleting chat messages, so all users of application will not be able to delete chat messages, maybe because of security or some other things that are involved. Besides this, gloCOM Desktop will have yelling headset integration and option to mute or choose a custom ringtone for software.
That's fantastic. And I know of gloCOM, I've been hearing a lot about gloCOM Go, specifically the Office in your pocket, which is kind of what we're talking about, especially here today. Semir, would you be able to tell us a little bit more about gloCOM Go?
Yeah, of course. gloCOM Go is actually a mobile application that we like to call an office in your pocket. And it's designed specifically for customers who have to be online all the time to deliver their own service benefits for their own clients. It's available for customers to download on Android Play Store and iOS Apple Store as gloCOM and Communicator application based on the branding you have purchased. Actually, those brandings match the branding that we have also set up for gloCOM Desktop. So gloCOM Go provides unified presence, chat, call history sync between mobile and desktop devices, and provides you on-the-go experience that matches fully your desktop application. Besides having your present messages and call history synced, one of the cool options we have is device switching during the call. So in case you need to get up from workstation during a call and go outside, you can just click on switch device and pick up the call to the mobile app. After you're done and return to the office, you can easily switch back and transfer the call to the desktop app again without your calling party even knowing about it. Also, one of the distinctive features of mobile apps only is our callback features, a callback feature that we are very proud of. And this feature allows you to enter your GSM mobile number. And in case of bad internet connection, you can arrange simply a callback to your GSM mobile phone. This will signal our PBX system to call you on your mobile phone number and connect the call to the third party you're calling, ensuring you have the best voice quality without interference in case of bad internet connection or whatever other reason. Also, it's worth mentioning that gloCOM Go can be used independently of gloCOM Desktop as well, and we have some clients that use only gloCOM Go and Desktop as it provides everything they need.
It sounds like there's a whole lot to get excited about there with gloCOM Go. I'd also like to jump to gloCOM Meeting. And for that, I want to bring on you, Vesna. Would you be able to talk specifically about gloCOM Meeting, maybe some of its benefits?
Oh, yes, of course, Brady. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to present gloCOM Meeting as a product. Well, actually, it's a video conferencing module of gloCOM. And it allows any users of gloCOM to set up virtual meetings without the hassle of switching applications. It is delivered together with gloCOM, so whenever you get a new release and features for gloCOM, you're getting some new features and improvements of meeting as well. You've heard Semir about all the great features that gloCOM offers. And in the light of all the changes that have happened in the world and in the way we work, with the remote and even more hybrid work that has now become a new normal, virtual meetings and conferences are now an indispensable part of unified communication suite. For us at Bicom Systems, it was very important to be able to offer our partners and our clients a comprehensive solution that encompasses video conferencing as well. Having it all in one application is an advantage that we can now offer to our Bicom partners. And if you are a Bicom partner, you don't have to look any further. You get everything you need in our UC suite. gloCOM Meeting offers video and audio conferencing with built-in features such as chat, screen sharing, and recording. These features are implemented to enable long distance or international communication, basically enhance collaboration and reduce travel costs. Of course, we know all how important that is. With access to all your gloCOM contacts, you can start collaborating with a single click. Save time by starting the meeting quickly and adding or removing participants as needed. You can also schedule meetings in advance and set up recurring meetings that suits your team's needs. Basically, if you are a gloCOM user, there is no more efficient and more convenient way for you to have a virtual meeting. And if you are not a gloCOM user yet, then meeting might be the reason to become one. So.
No, that's fantastic. And you definitely kind of jumped in with the features there. Are there any other elements that really kind of make it a standout gloCOM Meeting?
Well, we are trying to accomplish video conferencing at a scalable level and with the commendable scale that we have to offer right now with over 100 participants for video and audio conferencing that feel like face-to-face meetings on both speaker and grid view. I think we are right at the spot with the offering. We also offer screen sharing a desktop with remote control for keyboard and mouse. Meeting chat. In meeting chat, it's an instant messaging feature that allows sharing information or sending links and files through the chat. Also, we have added local recording. Basically, you can record both audio and video or audio only and save it locally. Additionally, meeting management is very accessible to the users. You gain more control with tools to manage past and upcoming meetings. You can schedule meetings, send email notifications, manage past meetings, leave or end meeting with the click of a button. Also, there is a participants management. You can view participants list, add or remove attendees with the ease. You can drag and drop to add participants, and even add non-gloCOM users with their emails and phone numbers. So basically, you don't have to be a gloCOM user to participate in the meeting. You can do it via gloCOM Meeting web app, and also starting from 6.6, we will have also gloCOM Meeting Go mobile applications on both iOS and Android. Also, meeting privacy settings are also something that we're proud of. Basically, there is a public and private meeting settings. You can make a public meeting if you decide to invite somebody from outside that was not invited when you schedule the meeting, and also you can invite people to join with just a link. One more thing important about meeting is that, like I said, any external participants that need to join the meeting, they don't have to download and install anything. They can join via the meeting web application that is supported with all major browsers. The whole setup after you follow the invitation link is just on one page. Simple and fast.
All right, very cool. So kind of jumping ahead to version 6.6 and even other updates that are planned down the road for gloCOM Meeting. Would you be able to talk about some of the features and things that are going to be part of the new releases?
Yes, we've been working very hard on improving and enhancing the core services, because talking to our clients, really what matters is the quality of the service. So we have implemented a totally new, like completely new screen sharing solution for the meeting that's going to bring much better quality, faster frame rate, and screen sharing experience for our clients. Also, we've been improving on scaling, and now the meeting is available for more than 100 video participants in the group. So it's really something that, for us, it's a big achievement, and it's a commendable feature for this type of software. But maybe the biggest thing is that we are actually releasing mobile applications. It's a GloCOM Meeting Go applications for now. They're available on iOS and Android. And for now, they're separate applications from GloCOM Go. But in the future, not 6.6, but sometimes in the future, we're hoping for 6.7 maybe, that those two applications will be integrated. So you'll have everything in one application. Other than that, we're really working hard on improving the quality of audio and video service. And of course, like I said earlier, screen sharing.
Well, thank you for that, Vesna. That was really illuminating there. I want to kick it back to Patrice. And obviously, there's been a lot of talk about really great Bicom Systems products and a lot of their features and what we can expect. But Patrice, I want to ask you specifically about the partner experience. What are the overall benefits for partners?
Well, if I can complete what my colleagues just said, I would say that there is two main benefits of our products and of GloCOM and Meeting today. The first one would be simplicity, because it's a complete suite of products, like an all-in-one unified communication platform that integrates call, chat, fax, SMS, group chat, video conferencing, as we said, even CRM, and much more in just one product. So as an end user, you can move from a chat to call, call to video conferencing, et cetera, in just one click. So we made, with this product, with this suite of product, we made simple business telecoms. And the second benefit, I would say, would be the mobility. With the web app that we just added, we even added more mobile options to the end users, who can use any computer to run GloCOM today. So no need to download the app, you just need the link. And not to mention the mobile version of Meeting that my colleague just presented, which would be available in a couple of weeks. So that would be the two main benefits I see for the end users. Now for the partner, Brady, for our partners, basically our products are easy to sell. You can offer an all-in-one app to any businesses. As I said, we tried, and I believe we achieved, to make a simple product to demo and to sell. And again, as we said at Bicom Systems, it's your business, your brand, your way, meaning you can brand all these apps to your own marketing and to make your product your very own product.
Now, it definitely sounds like a whole lot of thought has been given to the branding and the benefits and just such great opportunities for customers and for partners alike. Patrice, if people want to go online, maybe get some more resources, I know certainly sales at bicomsystems.com is an option, but where can people go online to learn more?
Well, they can go on our Bicom Systems website, obviously, www.bicomsystems.com website, in which they're going to find loads of information about what we do, how we offer our product, all the details. There is a section for partners where they can, see what we offer as a partners program. We also have a forum, a Bicom Systems forum that's dedicated for our partners, in which they can be part of the very own Bicom Systems community, but that's only if they are a partner. And they can also, once they become a partner, check into another platform that we call Product Board, in which you can track basically the progress we make in the development of our product, and even vote and comment on this very development. So they can be part of our development progress and of our own roadmap.
Well, it sounds like that's a great way to keep informed. Patrice, thank you so much for the time today.
Thank you, Brady. It was a pleasure.
And Semir, I want to say thank you to you as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Brady. It was really a pleasure.
And certainly couldn't forget you, Vesna. Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you. Thank you. It was my pleasure.
And while you guys are online checking out bicomsystems.com and all the great stuff that they have going on, don't forget to also visit channelvisionmag.com. You can check out all the great podcasts and CVTVs and webinars and content that are available at your disposal right there on the website. And with Channel Vision Magazine, on behalf of Bicom Systems, This has been CV Podcast.